Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 78 Cypress Street, Unit 1, located in Providence, Rhode Island. This is a gorgeous, renovated, updated first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit located on the east side of Providence. And we're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the kitchen area that you have. So, right off the bat, the entire unit houses a fresh coat of paint. You'll notice it in each and every room. Kitchen area houses lots of wide open windows. As you saw, you have some really cool views with the shrubbery around you. Lots of kitchen cabinets up above, below, around the sink area. Flip from that, you even got more cabinets around these appliances on the other side. And as you notice right away, the kitchen does house your in-unit laundry. Always a huge plus to have. And on top of that, all stainless steel kitchen appliances. This includes the dishwasher, built-in microwave, 4-burner stove and oven, the single bin sink, and the brand new refrigerator. Last thing to point out, you got a gorgeous marble countertop for the sink. On top of that, you even have additional countertop space above the dishwasher. You got some nice little shelf and rack space built in over here. Very nice. But yeah, really hooked up, ready to go kitchen area through and through. Perfect. So again, that's your kitchen space. Next, let's check out the double parlor. So double parlor houses a beautifully repolished hardwood flooring throughout, fresh paint once again, and the double parlor actually houses 2 sets of bay windows, so lots of sunshine, very lively views, street views, lots of shrubbery once again all around you. This side of the double parlor has a little bit of shelf and cabinet space off in this corner. Gorgeous setup in here. So that's this side of the double parlor. You enter into the other side, and there's your second set of bay windows. Again, really nice views and lots of sunshine. And on top of that, this unit actually has a private front entryway. Again, a huge plus to this unit. This unit is completely hooked up. Okay, so that's the double parlor. Next up are the 2 bedrooms. We'll start with the bedroom in the living area. But both bedrooms are basically identical. They house a brand new laminate wood flooring, fresh paint once again. Both bedrooms have their own closet spaces. And recommended bed size, I'd say you could definitely fit a standard full or queen bed set. That all should work just fine. Okay, so that is your first bedroom. Moving on to the second bedroom. This bedroom is housed in the kitchen area, as you can see. Again, new laminate wood flooring, fresh paint, own closet space. Perfect for up to a queen size bed set. Okay. Last but not least is the bathroom. So bathroom's also housed in the kitchen area. Gorgeous flooring. Got a nice wide open sink area off to the left side over here. And the wide open mirror up above. And all the way at the end, you have the stand-up shower with the glass door hooked up and ready to go. Sweet. So once again, this is 78 Cypress Street, Unit 1, located in Providence, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.